Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to change an e-bike tire, step by step. First, let's prepare. Before you begin, gather your essential tools, 2 or 3 tire levers, a bicycle pump, and a new inner tube. If your e-bike has a hub motor, carefully disconnect its cable. Always prioritize safety by turning off your e-bike and removing the battery before starting any work. This ensures no accidental power surges or movements occur. Now that you're prepared, let's remove the wheel. Depending on your e-bike, you'll either loosen the axle nuts with a wrench or open the quick release skewer. Remember, e-bike wheels can be heavier due to the motor, so handle with care. Gently lift the bike and slide the wheel out of the frame's dropouts. Once free, place the wheel on a clean, flat surface to prevent any damage to components. With the wheel off, it's time to remove the old tire and tube. First, completely deflate the tire by pressing down on the valve stem. Then, using 2 or 3 tire levers, carefully pry one side, or bead, of the tire off the rim. Once one bead is free, you can easily pull out the old inner tube. Before installing a new tube, always run your fingers along the inside of the tire to check for any embedded glass or debris. Finally, let's install the new tube and reassemble everything. Slightly inflate your new inner tube. This helps prevent pinching. Insert the tube into the tire, then mount one tire bead onto the rim. Carefully tuck the tube fully inside, then use your tire levers to gently seat the second tire bead onto the rim. Inflate the tire to its recommended pressure, usually between 30 and 60 psi. Reinstall the wheel, reconnect the motor cable, and secure your battery. You're ready to ride.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.